is the angel, the first lady of Dancehall, representing for Mix Up on Things. And so they might talk up whole heap of things. You see the stars, see the ice, see the blings. Mix Up on Things, talk up whole heap of things, shut up one bag of things. That's why that love I got you wave. Mix Up on Things, and the angels said that.
Okay, people, from last night, people have filled up my DM saying that Beenie Man was in a motorcycle accident. You see me, I say, and honestly, when I saw the DMs, I said, it's not surprising, you feel me? Because as you can see, Beenie can barely manage that vehicle, yeah. You see me, I said, Beenie, I try to keep up with Popcorn and the Unruly Gang. You know, so them man, they always on some bikes and some tracks and things. But like I said, people, we got the DM last night and we tried to see if this was plausible because me not gonna lie to you. Missy Beenie Man got live earlier today and me not see not a scratch, not a bandage upon him. So I'm thinking that if this was a case, maybe he's trying to get out of not going to London in a few weeks. Cause you know, say he was supposed to be in London, what there, yeah, but him say, you know, because of the Queen dead and, you know, new rules and regulations, him never get the visa in time. So the people that me saying, I hope him make it to the airport in time and nobody come with him bagga. You see me, I say my peoples, but like I said, people, Mr. Beenie Man got live earlier today. I'm not saying not a scratch and nothing pan him. You see me, I say, me even see him new girl CAMILLE praying for him. So like I said, you know, the man there I enjoy himself and then it ends and I watch World Cup and all of this stuff and things. So I'm just giving them update what go on from lot to go on. Beenie Man is not in the hospital. But is he going to be able to make it to the UK? I don't know. You see me, I say we're gonna be looking out for that because you know, so the people them say child support this and that is the reason why he might hide from going back to the UK, you know, and things. But we will see. You know what I mean? Time will tell, you feel me? So with Spice being out of commission for an unspecified amount of time, we don't know when the dancehall queen is gonna come back. A lot of people is looking to fill her shoes or to take her crown. And a lot of people was like, you know, Jada Kingdom up next since Christ Spice not there. So you know what I mean? But oh boy, people. It look like Jada Kingdom can't fill Spice spot, you see me, I said, because while she's in UK working with boyfriend number 1 to take care of boyfriend number 2 back home. Ah man, people, look at the crowd, you feel what I'm saying? No, the fans them, boy. The fans them, I say, wait, is it me or the crowd just stand up, stress out? They are such a good artist. You see me, I say, and somebody read, just the UK stay dry, dead, and boring, but them I enjoy, LOL. People putting out a comment section if I true, I saw the UK people them stay. I don't believe so. Next person said, so are we just gonna ignore the crowd with just a turn up and a look, you see me? So like I said, people, Jada Kingdom has good songs, but these artists need to know how to shell a stage show, you see me? And this is why Spice I lead them, you know what I mean? Because Spice have some good songs, but she's an extraordinary performer, you know what I mean? And this is why promoters would book her, you know what I mean? So right now with Spice out of commission, it's like the promoters them don't know what to do around it, you see me, I say. boy. But speaking about boyfriend number 1 and boyfriend number 2, as you see on the screen, Versia throw a beer shot at young. And you know, their relationship is no secret because when the GPP mash up Blood Clot, Nas, eBay Key, you know, Jada American boyfriend Ed, cause you know the baby had a miscarriage and all of this stuff. He went to his Instagram page and said, you know, Versi is just an old ass nigga and you know he's still young. You know, still got time to, you know, build up him riches and all of them shit, you see. But like I said, the two of them I was at throw some type of subliminal towards each other, you see me? So, you know, Versi take to him IG and said, even if she didn't want me, she still wouldn't want you. That's gotta sting. Your hate working in my favor. You feel me? Oh boy. People putting out a comment section. Who do you prefer Jada Kingdom with? I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of people is saying that Versi is Jada Kingdom's soulmate, and they want her to kick this young American rapper Nas to the curb. You see me? I say. As you can see, when somebody commented under my IG post saying I love them together, and I love that drama song Bedroom Bully. Somebody else said mix up, you're bad, the king of mix up, because me said Jada Kingdom in UK working with baby with boyfriend number one to take care of boyfriend number two back home. You see me, I say, that's the truth, people, you know what I mean? Because you know Jada, I mind the young boy, you see me, I say. But the next person said, Jada, please take him back. We miss him. So, like I said, people, IG people normally differ from YouTube people, you know. So, who do you think Jada Kingdom should be with? You see me? The young boy had Versi, the businessman, you see me, I say, but you know my thing already. Me not follow up no mad people, you know. But speaking about mad people, boy, it's a mad people link up, you know. Let's take a look. Oh, people, don't forget to swing over upon my Credible Boss channel because we just do a review last night. Squash is being targeted by Andrew Holdness as expected, and Andrew had this up Vice Cartel and Imprisoned Water friend as well as my other channel, Mix Up and Things channel, Nikki Chromus, this up some girl who I talk shit about our food. You see me?
Jada, Queen from Pussy Jada Kingdom. The Queen is here, so you're sky blessed. Yeah! Girl power! Banana, pussy power, where I show up. Nice, sexy girl, that's sexy, I look pretty. Jesus Christ. Yeah! Put on what? Man is a madman, do it! Husband. What should do? Come.
Yes, you know, sir, everybody have a link to Queen. As you know, they gotta check in with the Queen, make sure them safe, and you know, nobody not do them nothing. So you say Ding Dong and Jada Kingdom and our man link up with the Queen and all them things, because you know, bad girl forward, bad girl pull up. You see, man, I say. So it's definitely a good look for Queen Lady Gangster, because you know, Popcorn and the rest of them Dexter Daps always a scan them. So it's good to see that she always have mingle with the artists them, even though a few not like her, you see.
What I call it for? No smoking in the building, Queen. No smoking, no smoking. Fuck that. Okay, now we get a hint. Oh, mods. What la? Fala back at me. That girl, Queen. That girl, enough. Need that girl and that girl. It's a night out. Okay. Do it, text her. Eh? Text her, ask her which one of them plates. Yeah. I asked her whether them is which great name. Yeah. What?
Next door down, next door down. Yeah. Next door down to be on the VIP.
Okay. Oi. That's the one I was there. But are you not gangster? Yeah, do it.
You're
Oh,
doing, yeah.
fine.
Those are things to guests.
Those are things to
Two
names.
guests, and they have not, they're saying they're not on the list.
What we must do?
You're good. Oh, your name should be on the VIP entrance.
All right.
Younger.
Walk on, darling. Janet. I'm here now, so I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna leave here and go here. So it's her plus one.
Greenie, hello. I'm
You
Ethan.
can do it. Come on.
You alright? Are you going in? Yeah, I'm going in.
It's just you four, so just stay together. Can I leave them with you at home? They're gonna sort it. That one there. I just don't want to leave you without you. Where is stuff? Alright, come. Alright. No, they can't get around the back. So I know it's not possible. You know what? This is going to sound like, I don't know what's going on with the band. I could take you in, but I don't know what's happening with the band. Young on. Okay, come. I think that could be security first.
Yeah, security. Empty your stuff in the basket for us, please.
Yeah.
When you're ready to step through.
Yeah, it's a good look. People don't forget to go up to the next channel them and watch the latest updates we do. You see me, I say most importantly,